Calendar is without question a very helpful application for us. We use it to keep track of some very important upcoming events or other important events like birthdays or project deadlines. If your calendar events have disappeared or get deleted calendar on your iPhone, we will give you some tips you can get your calendar events back to you. Let's get started. iMyFone debug can retrieve lost iPhone calendar events without a backup or from iTunes backup or iCloud. First, install and launch debug on your computer. Select the iPhone Recovery tab and connect your iPhone to your computer. Then, click on Recovery from Device and choose Calendar from the available data types for recovery. Finally, click on the scan button to begin the recovery process. Wait for the data scanning to complete. Preview the calendar events and other data you have selected for recovery. Preview and select the items you want. Click Recover to retrieve your calendar data. The iPhone's disappearing calendar is back. Method 2. Sync all disappeared calendar events in Settings. The moment you find iPhone calendar events are missing, ensure to sync all the events in the first place to fix the issue and get the vanished events back. Start with heading to Settings, Calendars, Sync, and then All Events. Method 3. Enable Calendar Sync in iCloud setting. Some of the users use iCloud Calendar and other online services of calendar. If you're one of those, you're supposed to turn on the iCloud Calendar syncing. For this, just move to Settings, Your ID, iCloud, Calendars, and toggle it on. Please note that if you observe that it is already enabled, simply disable it and enable after a couple of seconds. This is about how to recover iPhone calendar events. Hope this video is helpful for you. Subscribe if you like it. See you next time.